Hey, Tax Minute. This is Tony Novak here to share a few points on how to stay out of tax trouble. Let's get right into it. Today's topic is the easy way to lower your tax and accounting fees. Now, if you read online, or have heard any stories from friends and neighbors, incidences of rapidly accelerating accounting costs, doubling, tripling, or worse. And CPAs in particular, firms are dropping clients at a rate that I've not ever imagined would be possible. And clearly, yeah, there is a problem. The industry has a problem retaining people, and we're going through a massive transformation. Many processes are being automated, and CPAs are changing their role and their function, and the government is also changing role and accountability as well. So it occurred to me today that there's a really easy and simple way to control your costs, and it just seems like many people are just not aware of that. So let me explain that in story form. So for what happens with me on an almost daily basis, someone I don't know, total stranger, calls and says, "Hey, I need help with," and whatever it is. It's often a tax problem that they've received a letter in the mail, or they're getting audited, or perhaps it's often a family member. It's often a family situation, and also multiple year filers are also. You'd be amazed at how many people haven't filed tax returns for years, and now all of a sudden, for some reason, have decided some life event and they need to catch up. So I get one of these calls, and I don't know that person at all. And of course, what do they want to know? How much is it going to cost? Well, I don't know how much it's going to cost because I haven't seen anything yet. We haven't worked together. I don't know if you're easy to work with or difficult to work with. So what I do, and what other CPAs do in some format or another, they don't obviously do what I do, but in some format or another, each CPA is trying to assess how difficult or easy it's going to be to work with you. And it just seems to me that clients are not aware of that. So what I do is I say, listen, I'll take a look at what you have, and then we'll take it from there. Let's sign a security agreement, a privacy agreement. I'll send a secure portal, and you can share the documents, and we can talk about it. So that basically, what am I saying? I want to see if you're credible. Can you follow an instruction? Can you click to sign? Do you know how to upload a document? Some people do, some people don't. And can we schedule a reasonable conversation? Some people just ask the first time and then disappear. So the point is, the biggest variable in your accounting and tax costs is how easy or difficult you are to work with. The forms and the issues we face are the same for everybody, and they're fairly routine. It's the people factors, and the client factors, that make it difficult or easy, cheap or expensive. And so that's the point of this broadcast. If you're trying to keep your tax and accounting costs low, focus on the relationship with your accountant or your preparer, and try to make your communications and your workflow smoother, more efficient, more reliable, and just plain easier. Everybody prices people they like and or find easy to do business with lower than those who are a real pain in the neck and difficult, and frankly, are a liability sometimes. So that's my lesson for today. Love to hear your experiences, thoughts, feedback on that comment. I'm easy to reach. Just use the social media comments where this is posted, or reach me if you want to schedule a one-on-one. I'd be happy to do that. I'm easy to reach on the website taxproblems.cpa. I'll be back tomorrow with another Tax Minute.